Hey guys, so this week we've got a bit more to do. Charger needs an oil change, and we're going to see what else we can get done on the Volvo. I took the old wheels to the metal recyclers to see what I can get for them. They gave me $63, so much more useful for me in cash form. We also picked up that drift sheet, put that under the Volvo to make sure garage stays clean. And we'll see you guys down at the shop. Alright, here we are at the shop. It is cold. Really freaking cold. So I'm just gonna take this pan, throw it under the Volvo real quick. And that should completely protect the floor. Just gonna jack this car up, let it cool down. We'll do an oil change on it. And then we're waiting for the car to cool down. We'll try and do some Volvo stuff. Move this out of the way. There we go. We're gonna try and get into that wheel so we can fix the fuel pump, see if we can get this engine started. I have like a running video we can use to sell things. Also gonna need this. Yeah, once you get that heater cranking in here, it doesn't really get that cold. We gotta tape up that window for sure, but did some research after pulling everything apart, and the fuel pump's on the other side. Alright, there it is. Just gotta yank that little guy out. Alright. Thinking the engine's cooled down by now, we're gonna go ahead and start the oil change. The sun is pretty much gone too, so it's gonna be much colder. Fantastic. Okay, I gotta get down here with the snow. Great. Alright. For future reference, the oil pan bolt on a 3.5 liter Dodge Charger is 14 millimeters. Oof. Spilled a little bit there. Okay. Oh dear. Okay, I'm gonna need some snow and some shop rags. Thank you. Alright. I got that bolt plugged. Now we're gonna pull this this oil filter, and we should be done on the bottom half of the engine. Alright, well that finishes draining. We're gonna move on to this fuel pump. See if we can pull that out really quickly. You know, before I do that, I'm gonna stand over here by this heater. So I'm soaked, lying down in that snow pile trying to change the oil. Now that's a crusty pump. Yeah, replace that, everything should be okay. These wires are held in by these evil little clips. Freaking hard to get when your fingers are numb. Okay. So I can't get that clip, my fingers are too cold. I gotta put oil in the charger. It's cold, it's late, I'm tired. Let's shut this off. I gotta wrap this up and head on home. Alright. Filters only ever have to be hand tight. You don't need to crank them down. Alright. I'll just edit it later. Okay. Just gonna throw in this Mopar brand filter. that's what it wants. Remember when you're doing your filter, take some old oil, lube up that ring, creates a much better seal, and keep your engine from leaking and your filter working much better. Remember, you also got to top off your filter. Oh well, it's probably fine. Turn around, get in all the bubbles. Alright, filters only ever have to be hand tight. You don't need to crank them down. Alright. Alright, right in the middle, we're good to go. Put this all back together. And let's get out of here. Alright. Well, thank you all for watching. It's really cold, I'm really hungry, so I'm going to bed. Please like and subscribe to the video, share among your friends, and thanks for watching.